welcome to another vlog. I actually just finished filming my room tour, so look how clean my room is. Actually, except that. I have a bunch of throw blankets and they were just not looking good for the room tour, so I literally threw them on the outside of my door. So there's a little behind the scenes if you watch my room tour. I'm just grabbing my things and I'm about to head out. Evan and I are going to the mall to do a little shopping, and I'm picking up my new iPad. I'm getting an iPad Air and also the new Apple Pencil, except I ordered the Apple Pencil online and it's being delivered because I wanted it engraved, but the iPad I'm actually going in to pick up because I didn't want it engraved, and I haven't been to the mall since Christmas shopping in December. Today is Saturday and I just haven't really vlogged a weekend in a while, so that's what today is. I'm gonna need my keys and my wallet. I'm debating if I want to wear my fanny today. Will my Lulu fanny go with this outfit? Yeah, I think so. It's cute. Okay, there we go. And there's also like an extreme cold warning today, which is so much friggin' fun. Oh, I'm gonna need a mask. Wait, which mask will match my outfit? Probably this one. Gym's open back up on Monday here. So literally since then, the only thing to do has been walking around stores because, you know, the mall's open, but gyms are not, and restaurants are closed too. Evan just finished work actually, and he's meeting me at my house, and then we're gonna take my car. I'm also starting this vlog very late. It's literally almost 3 o'clock right now. Oh my buddy, I miss you. I'm sorry you're not coming.
No.
Hey guys, Evan's here now. Say hi, Evan.
Hi, Evan.
You haven't been in a vlog in a while. When's the last time I vlogged? I don't know how to get there.
Yes, you do.
I don't put it in my GPS. So useless. You're supposed to know the directions,
I know that.
and I'm supposed to look pretty. Those are our roles.
You're driving.
So
you can.
are we even gonna have time? We'll get there by like 4, right? Markville Mall? Oh, it's half an hour. Oh, that's kind of far.
I just want to make sure.
Yes, my job's the directions and looking pretty.
You always go on the toll road somehow. So.
No, I don't. Okay, those are all accidents, guys. I've only done that once and braked really, really hard once. But I learned my lesson. I paid $10. Ooh, I forgot to put on music.
Oh, it's okay.
I'll put it quietly. You can still nap.
I wonder what we're gonna listen to. It's like one of 3 things.
Oh yeah? Pick. What's it gonna be?
Taylor Swift, Olivia Rodrigo, or Role Model.
Well, then I'll play none of those. Okay guys, we're finally here. It is almost 4 o'clock. We parked so far from the store I wanted to start at, but
the opposite end.
literally the opposite end, but it's fine. Anyways, let's go to the mall. I think my fingers froze. I'm back in the car now. It's almost 6 o'clock. Evan is just in Walmart getting snacks for tonight and drinks. I think we're gonna grab dinner and then go back to my house. I think I'll do a haul either when we get back or tomorrow. I'm just in the car warming it up, and I'm gonna pick up Evan in front of Walmart. Whoever used my sanitizer last did not close it. Did it get all over my car? Yeah. But I got some bubble tea to fill me up until we get dinner. The mall was actually very busy, and I don't understand how the mall can be open but gyms have been closed. Like, I would literally just rather work out with my mask on and be able to go to the gym than just have it closed. Ontario loves to just not make sense. Oh, and guys, look at the, I guess if you're not in Canada, you don't have these, but they're the Olympic lululemon bags, and they're so cute. The guy almost gave me a white one, but I really wanted the red one, and I'll do a haul later. But look how cute the bag is. Anyways, I will talk to you guys when we get home. So we're back home now, and I got a big package here. This upside down chair I got from Amazon. I mentioned in my room tour that I sold the old red and black gaming chair that used to be there because I didn't really like it anymore, and I wanted something to match my new room. So I picked this one out, and Evan's here, so I'm gonna have him build it because I don't want to build it. Build me my chair. I'll help. You're doing amazing.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you
Ta-da! It's so quiet. My other one goes like ooh. You don't even hear anything. Ooh. Like them. Hey guys, so it's now the next day. I just got out of the shower, which is why my hair looks like this. And I'm gonna do a haul of things that I got yesterday at the mall. The last thing you guys saw was me building this chair. And by me building this chair, I mean Evan building this chair and me helping. More like supervising. But here is the new chair that I got from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. And guys, it is so comfy. It has great back support. It's like super ergonomic. Like it literally like sits so nice to the curvature of my back. And it's so quiet and it's so pretty. And I'm obsessed with it. You literally cannot hear it when it rolls, which is great. I went to Lululemon and got a new water bottle. Also, look how cute this bag is. It's the red Canadian Olympic and Lululemon. I actually bought one of these as like a Christmas gift, and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it because I've literally been needing a new water bottle. All of my water bottles are literally like the plasticky Gatorade style bottles. Wait, let me show you. These ones, like literally all of my water bottles are always like the Powerade or the Gatorade or Adidas or Nike like squeezy bottles. So I really want to get a new stainless steel bottle. I was bouncing between this Lululemon one and either a Hydro Flask or a Yeti one, but once I saw them in person, I'm trying to stray away from like the plastic straw water bottles because they get really gross. I used to have like a Nike styled one with the straw. I forgot to clean it once, and when I finally cleaned it, it was literally like yellow and black inside, and like, yeah, you can like clean the straw, but like it's so hard to keep clean, if that makes sense. So I wanted a stainless steel water bottle that wasn't like too wide at the mouth and also didn't use a straw or any type of like plasticky suction. So I got the Back to Life Sport bottle. It's 24 ounces in the color white. I actually originally wanted to buy this blue one. I'll put a picture of it. But when I went in store, it like didn't look as pretty as it did online. Like the silver Lululemon part looked really bad over the blue. So then I decided to just get this white one because it's more neutral. But I really like it because you can just hold it like this, and then to open the cap, it just twists and pops off, but there's no straw. It's just like a smaller sippy drinking thing. I'm actually like kind of obsessed with it and just excited to have a new emotional support water bottle. And then I also went to Winners in the Apple store. I'll do Winners first. I got a new planner. It's literally January 31st, I think, today. And I still haven't gotten a 2022 planner. The inside is really simple. It's just white pages with your calendar spreads and just basic weekly spreads with a lot of room to write. And then lastly, the main reason I went to the mall is my new iPad. I'm so excited. I got the iPad Air 4th Gen in the sky blue color. And I also already got a case and a screen protector for it. Those came the other day from OtterBox. I got the Alpha Glass screen protector, which is like anti-scratch, anti-drop, whatever, you know how OtterBox is. And then I also got the Symmetry 360 case for it. It's actually the exact same case and screen protector that I have on my current iPad, but in gray. And this one is the iPad 8th generation, I think I have in here. I don't remember if I talked about this, but the reason I'm getting a new iPad is my grandparents need a new iPad. They have like a super old iPad 2 or 3 maybe, like very old, that none of like the newer apps can even download on it. That's how old it is. So my mom has the 7th generation iPad and she's giving that one to my grandparents, and I'm giving this one to my mom. And I'm also giving her like the Apple Pencil that comes with it. Honestly, I am so sick of charging this Apple Pencil. Like, you either plug it into your iPad to charge, or there's like an adapter little piece that you plug into like the cable, but I'm always losing that thing and it's just so annoying to charge. And luckily the new iPads with the new Apple Pencil just magnetically stick to the iPad and charge. So I think I'm gonna set this up now, put the screen protector on, do a fun little unboxing, and then transfer everything over.
Conversations in my head.
Ready? You guys, this is gonna be so satisfying. Love it. I ordered the 2nd generation Apple Pencil online because I wanted it engraved. The iPad I didn't really want engraved. I tried it out like to see what it would look like online and it kind of just looked tacky, but the Apple Pencil looks cool when it's engraved, so that's why I did that. I think that should be coming in a couple days. Okay. So we got the charger it comes with, and these are the new USB-C ones, I'm pretty sure.
Got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself.
Okay, so it's saying hello, which is super cute. Oh, well, that was fast. So yeah, it's just setting up. You guys aren't missing anything fun yet. The screen size does feel a lot better. Honestly, I don't really have anything else to vlog for the rest of the day. I'm going over to Evans to watch a soccer game because Canada is playing US at the Tim Hortons field in Hamilton for, I think it's the FIFA qualifier or something like that. So I'm going over to Evans to watch it at 3. It's like 2 o'clock now. And I think we're just going to be chilling for the rest of the day. So I think I'm going to end my weekend vlog here. My new iPad is all set up. I don't know if you guys would want to see like a what's on my iPad and like how I use it for school and work and like personal stuff. I don't know, because I'm not taking classes right now, so it's not as set up as it will be like in the spring if I take courses or next fall. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this and I'm excited for the new Apple Pencil to come in the mail. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!